Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 5 says, 2 hours into her trip, Cypress has traveled 84 miles. After 5 more hours of driving, she has traveled 414 miles. What is her average speed in miles per hour? So in this question, again, I'm given 2 points. 2 hours into the trip, Cypress has traveled 84 miles, so that's the point 284. And it says after 5 more hours of driving, so 2 plus 5 would give me 7 hours. After 7 hours, she will have traveled 414 miles. And so once I have the 2 points, I'm going to use the slope formula. Change in y, or the second y minus the first y, divided by change in x, or the second x minus the first x. And now all I have to do is substitute. The second y is 414, minus the first y is 84. In the denominator, the second x is 7, minus the first x is 2. And now I'll subtract and divide. 414 minus 84 is 330, and 7 minus 2 is 5. 330 is divisible by 5. If I divide that in a calculator, I get 66. So what is her average speed in miles per hour? It would be 66 miles per hour on her trip.